Okay, we have another short set of notes here for Lesson 8, Unit 3 in PLP, Developing Personal Opinions and Using Rhetorical Strategies. So at the top here, it's going to hopefully tell us things we already know. So if you find evidence that supports your opinion on a topic, supports your thesis, you should, checkmark, use it, include it in your paper. If you find something, the facts that you're pulling or information that does not support your opinion on a topic, you should discard, which means get rid of it, don't use it. Or there was something else that we could do with it. So let's find where that was. Include it as a divergent view. So I'm gonna drag that over here. Okay, so we can include it as divergent viewpoints. We do need to show both sides, but be careful. Make sure your side is still the stronger one. Okay, next piece of our notes, provide an analysis to support personal opinions. In order to do this, these are our 3 steps. So the first thing we should do is use critical thinking. So everything we pull, we should really think about it. Does this actually support what we're trying to say, or does it have a place in our paper? After we pull a bunch of facts and evidence for our side and include a few divergent viewpoints so that we're building trust, showing that we do see the other side, then we want to interweave the information found in the descriptions, facts, details, or opinions during our research so it blanks personal opinions. So it supports. Use blank to make sure that changes between interwoven pieces of information between facts, details, descriptions, and opinions are smooth. We want to use transitions, and eventually when we get to our own argumentative pieces we're writing, that's going to be a big part of the rubric, is making sure that we have our side, our evidence, their side, overcoming it with a rebuttal. All those pieces, we need to use lots of transition words, signaling this is my side, here's my evidence, here's what the other side thinks, but my side is stronger. So those transitions are very important in argumentative writing. So they do give a really good example. So they pulled all these different facts and details and then showed which parts you would use and why. And so I pulled that over here and I kind of differentiated between the pieces to show what was done here. So the thesis, what they should be backing up, is that health insurance costs continue to rise at an unprecedented and unsustainable rate. So they've restated that here. Every year, health insurance costs increase. So costs go up, and eventually people aren't going to be able to keep up with it. So these line pieces are their facts, their evidence, and then all these bold italics are their transitions, how they show one piece of evidence connects to the next, their explanation. So I thought this was really well done, and I just wanted you to visually see how important all those transitions are. So let me go through here and give you a freebie since you're taking the time to watch this video. And this one's a pretty short one. So yeah, 7 whole questions. So you only have 6 to do after this one. So question 1, if evidence does support personal opinions, yours or others, you should. So if it's supporting your opinion, your thesis, you should definitely include it in your essay. So be careful down here on the next one. If evidence does not support personal opinions, you should do what with it? And make sure you're going back up here to our notes and using them. All right, do a good job on this.